Searching for a 2005 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, power mirrors. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.